Big sales. We're a high-touch sales consulting company. And what that means is that we are in with your team and your organization as we implement the sales process that lands big sales.
If you are a CEO of an entrepreneurial company in the mid-market space and you are unsatisfied with your growth rate, we help you double the speed by which you double the size of your company, double your close rate, or double the size of your average deal.
This means that you land big sales. Big sales are the kinds of sales that are 2 times to 10 times the size of your average sale that you have right now. What does that do for you? Well, you probably figured it out. It increases your profitability, increases the value of your business because you're not only growing, but it's a replicable and scalable system.
You might have tried reorganizing your sales team, adding additional leadership, or reorganizing the company, CRMs and training, and all you're finding is incremental growth. If that's the case, it's time to change your strategy.
Let's do the math. Let's look at the success. We've worked with over 750 companies in the mid-market space. They have sold 7-figure, 8-figure, 9-figure deals into 187 of the Fortune 500 companies. This has generated overall $18 billion in new sales for those mid-market companies. One of the things that our clients have said, which has been key, is the ability to get to the higher level buyer. If you're going to get to bigger sales, you need to get to bigger or higher level people. That's a process that once you identify it, you're going to be at that bigger level buyer for the big sales.
How do we make that happen? We provide a proven process that takes you through tools, concepts, all the way through a guided implementation. Our differentiator is the fact that we don't just give you a plan. Right. We actually take you through that process, tool, plan for at least 6 months, guiding you through how to use it on real deals, live fire exercises. That makes a difference for you to be able to sustain that going forward in the future.